Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss how you can easily enable or set dark theme on your WhatsApp. Please subscribe, like and share this video to help me grow my channel. Thank you and God bless as you do so. To enable or set dark theme, click on the three dots at the right hand corner of the app. Settings, Chats and then theme. As you can see, there are three options. By default is on light. Sometimes it's on system default. If it's on system default, that means if you have Android 9 and above, you can change your system-wide theme to either battery saver, light or dark theme. Whichever way you apply it, if your settings is on system default, it's going to adapt to that settings by default. Light is the theme we are using right now, but we are here to explicitly set dark theme. So click on dark theme and then OK. And that's all. Thank you for checking me out. Thanks for viewing this video. Please don't fail to subscribe, like or share this video if you haven't done so already.